Welcome you all children to our today's math session. In this video, you will learn about shapes and angles. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. One day, when they were making shapes with matchsticks, Shaila gave them a challenge. Rohini will make shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it, but she can ask questions. Oh, that is simple. They started doing the shapes with matchsticks. They were sitting in opposite directions without looking towards each other. Rohini made this shape. Mohini asked, "Is it a closed shape or an open shape?" Rohini answered, "It is a closed shape." Again Mohini asked, "How many sides are there?" Rohini answered, "It has 6 sides." Mohini made this shape. "Is it a closed shape?" Yes, it is a closed shape. Does it have 6 sides? Yes, it have 6 sides. Mohini made this shape and Rohini did this. Does it have 6 sides? Yes, it has 6 sides. But it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. So, Mohini tried again. Mohini made this shape with 6 sides. It is a closed shape. Again, Mohini is tired of trying and asks Shaila what to do. Mohini made this shape again. It is a closed shape with 6 sides. Mohini is tired of trying and asks Shaila what to do. If you ask for the angles that the matchsticks make at the corners, you can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Mohini made this shape, but Rohini did this. Is it the same shape as the one made by Rohini? No. These two shapes are different shapes. Let me look upon closed shape. Look at this triangle. Is it closed? Yes, it is a closed shape. Look at this square, pentagon and hexagon. These shapes are closed. Closed shapes having their sides joined together without gaps. Understand the difference between closed and open figures. Look at these closed figures. These figures are having their sides joined together in it without making gaps. Yes, this hexagon is also closed and they are joined. These sides are joined together without making gaps. Open figures. Look at the sides of the open figures. They are joined but they are making gaps. It is kept open. So these figures are open figures. Can you find out that in what way these shapes are different from each other? Yes, these shapes are different from each other because of their measures of angles. See how the matchsticks make a small angle and a big angle and a bigger angle. Wow! When the angle changes, the shape changes so much. The next one, angles. The inclination or the bend of two rays or line segments or lines when they meet each other at a point is known as angle. Look at this figure. These two rays meet at a point and they made an angle. Here, these two rays meet at a point and they made an angle. These two lines take a bend and meet at a point. They made an angle. These two line segments intersect each other and made an angle.
Let me see how to measure an angle. These two rays meeting at a point makes an angle. Observe this instrument which is called protractor, which is also called as D. You can observe this instrument inside your geometry box. This instrument contains two measures, inner measure and outer measure. Inner measure contains 0 to 180 degree from right to left, and the outer measure which also contains 0 to 180 degree from left to right. Now let we measure this angle PQR. Place the protractor on the ray QR and observe this, children. The ray PQ pointed towards 80 degree. So the measure of this angle is 80 degree. Can you see any difference in these shapes? These shapes are formed by 6 matchsticks. You can observe the markings of the angles inside these shapes. Making the angles bigger or smaller brings about the change in the shape. Yes, in this shape, the sides are joined together. If the sides are joined together closer, you can observe smaller angles inside the shape. If the sides are joined one away from the other, you can observe bigger angle. Are the yellow angles are equal in these shapes? Yes, these two angles measures 125 degree. Yes, these angles are equal in these shapes. Are the green angles equal to each other? Yes, both of them measures 100 degree. Are the blue angles are equal to each other? Yes, both of them measures 130 degree. All the angles are equal because pentagons, hexagons, octagons or any polygons with equal sides have equal angles. This pentagon having 5 sides which are equal to each other. So we can observe equal measure of angles inside these shapes. 4 different angles are marked in 4 different colors. Can you find other angles which are the same as the one marked in red? Yes, you can mark them in red. Do this for other colors also. In these figures, change the angles of the shapes and see how many new shapes can you make. Arrange the 4 matchsticks one away from each other at a particular distance. You can make angles of the same shape different from each others. In these figures, change the angles of the shapes by arranging the matchsticks one away from the other at a few distance. Then you can observe angles with different measures. Like that, for pentagon also you can do, children. In this figure, change the angles of the shapes and see how many new shapes can you make. This shape contains 7 matchsticks. Arrange the matchsticks one away from the other at a few distance and you can measure the angles with different measures. Now, your puzzle time. Matchstick puzzle. Make 8 triangles using 6 matchsticks. Try, children. Second one, take 8 matchsticks and make a fish like this. Now pick up any 3 matchsticks and put them in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in the opposite direction. Did it? Using 10 matchsticks, make this shape. Pick up 5 matchsticks and put them in such a way that you get the shape of a house. One is done for you, children. Puzzle 2. Make a fish by using 8 matchsticks. Then pick up these 3 sticks, this first one and the second one and third one, and place the matchsticks like this. Then you can observe at the starting the fish is swimming towards from right to left, and in the final result we got it swims from left to right. Next one, angle tester. How do we make equal angles? Let's make an angle tester. Angle tester. Angle tester in geometry is called a divider. This instrument you can observe inside your geometry box. The 2 rays that makes the angles are known as the arms of the angle. Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their class. Rohini tested the angle of the max book and a pencil box. It was right angle. Yes, the angle of the max book and the angle of the pencil box, it is in L shape. It was right angle with L shape. Types of angles. Let me know about the types of angles. There are 7 types of angles. Acute angle which is less than 90 degree, and right angle, it is exactly equals to 90 degree, and obtuse angle, the angles which are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. Then straight angle, the straight angle which exactly equals 180 degree. After that, reflex angle, the angles which are greater than 180 degree are called reflex angle. Full angle, this full angle exactly it measures 360 degree. Next one, zero angle. If the inclination or bend between the 2 rays making an angle is 0, then the angle is said to be a zero angle. Here, the inclination or bend between the 2 rays. Here, the 2 rays are along the same line. So, the angle made by these 2 rays which is 0. This angle is said to be zero angle. Next one, acute angle. An angle which is greater than 0 degree and lesser than 90 degree is known as acute angle. Then right angle. An angle of measure 90 degree is known as right angle. Some of the examples for right angle are the angle in the photo frame, the angle in the TV screen, angle in the blackboard, and the angle in the door and in the windows. And after that, the angle made by these books. These are right angles. Obtuse angle, an angle which is greater than 90 degree but smaller than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Then next one, straight angle. An angle of measure 180 degree is known as straight angle. In a straight angle, both the rays are in opposite directions, and the angle made by these opposite rays is known as 180 degree, and its measure is 180 degree. Reflex angle, an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Observe this angle. Here this angle measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. This angle is called as reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle of measure 360 degree is known as complete angle. If the inclination between the two rays is 360 degree, then the angle is said to be a complete angle. You can observe this angle inside the wall clock. Here, the inclination between the two rays is 360 degree. Then the angle is said to be complete angle. Look at the pictures given below and complete the table. We have to observe the angle in the scissor and the angle of the person and the kite, and after that catcher, and also for notice board. We have to write these belongs to which category: right angle, obtuse angle or acute angle. First one, scissor, which is an acute angle because it is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. The angle in the arms of the person is right angle because it exactly equals 90 degree. The angle in the kite is right angle because exactly it equals 90 degree. Then angle in the spanner, which is an obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Observe the angle in this name board, which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. Suhman made this picture with so many angles. He used color pencils to mark the angles. Right angles with black color and angles which are more than right angle with green color and angles which are less than a right angle with blue color. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also write what kind of angle it is. For acute angle, observe the mouth of a crocodile. It is having an angle less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle. Then for right angle, observe the bend of this chair. It is having a right angle exactly equals 90 degree. Look at the roof of this house. It is having an angle less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle. Then observe the hands of this clock. It is more than 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. The bottom of this ice cream is having an angle less than 90 degree. It is an acute angle. The needle of this pen is having an angle less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle. Next one, angle garden. My angle dance shows the way. When I see the flowers for making honey, I want to tell other bees to show them. When I start dancing, my dance shows the angle between the sun and the flower. I am a woodpecker. My beak is sharp because it has to cut the wood. Hey, look at the bird. Its beak has an angle less than a right angle. Angle in names. Observe the name of Shugman. You know there are angles in the letters of our names too. In this name, there are so many angles here. In my name, there are 11 right angles. There are also 10 angles less than a right angle. Let me count. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and after that 11. Yes, there are 11 right angles. Let me count another angles. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are so many angles less than a right angle. There are 2 slides in a park. Which slide has a larger angle? Which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? Yes,
The bigger slide is safer for the little boy, which is having the larger angle. Changing shapes. Now make these 4, 5, 6-sided shapes by using 2 pieces and matchsticks. Find out how many angles are there in each of these shapes and mark them. Now push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger. Does the angle change when pushed down by the finger? Yes, it may be. Find out and write your results in the table given here. For this hexagon, pentagon, square and triangle, push these shapes downwards with the tip of your finger and observe the changes in the angles and write yes or no in this column.
Shapes and towers. Look for triangles in the pictures below. The roof of this building, steel bridge and in the electric pole. Look around and find out more places where the triangles are used. For example, in this bridge, samosas, the roof of the house, the railings of the street and in the electric poles, these use the triangular shape. Angles and time. There are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. When the time is 3, the hands of the clock make a right angle. And also in the time at 9 o'clock, the hands of the clock makes a right angle. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at these times. Also write the time. So when the time is 7:25, it makes an acute angle. At 8:15, the hands of the clock makes an obtuse angle. At 9:10, the hands of the clock makes an angle above 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. And at 9:25, it makes an angle obtuse angle. And at 10 o'clock, it makes an acute angle. Degree. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. Appu hit the striker. It comes back at the same angle. If you want, you can measure the angle in degrees using a degree clock. Degree is written as like this. Use your degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil box. Dash is the measure of the right angle. Yes, 90 degree is the measure of the right angle. Can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is half of a right angle is 45 degree. 1/3 of a right angle is 30 degree. 2 times of a right angle is 180 degree. Here 90 degree is called the right angle. Measure the angle from where Kittu should hit the striker. Yes, the measure of the angle from where Kittu should hit the striker is 30 degree. Angles with yoga. Rahmat is doing yoga. These are the pictures of different asanas he does every day. You can estimate the measure of any angles as you can made by different parts of the body while doing asanas. The D game. You can find this D in your geometry box. It is also called protractor. Measure the angle on the head fan. You can play the D game with your friends. You draw an angle, your friend will guess the measure of the angle, then you use your D to measure it. The difference between the measured angle and the guess will be your friend's score. The one with the lowest score will be the winner. Come on, let me play. Evaluation. Matchstick puzzle. Make 8 triangles using 6 matchsticks. Try, children. Then second one, take 8 matchsticks and make a fish like this. Now pick up any 3 matchsticks and put them in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in the opposite direction. Did it? Using 10 matchsticks, make this shape. Pick up 5 matchsticks and put them in such a way that you get the shape of the house. The next one, angle tester. Go around with the tester and draw the things that has L shape in your house. Yes, this tester is having the L shape which is equal to 90 degree. Angles in name. You know there are angles in the letters of your names too. Yes, Suhuman. Each letter of this word Suhuman is having different angles. Write 3 names using straight lines and count the angles. You have to write down some names and the number of right angles present in the letters of the names and number of angles more than a right angle in this column and number of angles less than a right angle in this column. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at these times. Also write the time. Degree clock. There is one activity for you children, making a degree clock. Cut a circle out of paper like this. Fold it into half. Then fold it once again into a quarter like this and fold it one more. Open the paper. You will see the lines like this. Now mark 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree as shown in the figure. Paste the circle on an old card. From the center, draw one hand. Make a red hand with a thick paper and fix it to the center with the drawing pin so that it is free to move. Your degree clock is now ready, children. Thank you.